3, 2, 1, go! Cheering for your audience! Who's cheering for red? Who's cheering for blue? Red is racing ahead. Let's see, the Blue Alliance is working on that high basket. One already in. And how appropriate.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Holland is gonna sail away with victory. 2 minutes of driving control. We see Team Orange struggling a little bit. And now they have their first sample. Scoring it in high basket. It comes out. Things in the future is doing exactly the same. Trying to score in the high basket. We see the flying Dutchman collect samples, turning them into specimen for later on in the match. Right now, they already passed the 100 mark, and Blue is still working on it. A little bit of a hiccup at Team Orange, but nothing they can cope with. Now a little bit of a pushing there in the submersible. But everything comes out unarmed. A little penalty there for the Flying Dutchman. Let's see what happens at the blue side of the field. We see Team Orange working specimen now. They change strategies. And as our commenter just did, it is such a strange thing to change strategies during the match. Let's see what happens here on the red side of the field. That basket is not full yet. Yet another one is added. Extending their lead. Nobody is a winner yet. Cheering for every sample that gets scored. Another one in the air. Filling out the high belt. Going for Blue. Team Orange is now working on specimen. And the Energizers are working the high basket. They do it so well. End game. 15 seconds left. I see the Energizers ready for a climb. 8 seconds left. And the Flying Dutchmen are going over the climb. What a match! This is for the